Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to buy Captain Inu token on Metamask wallet using Uniswap exchange. First, download and install Metamask wallet from App Store or Google Play. After that, open your Metamask wallet. You need to transfer some Ethereum to Metamask. Go to receive and transfer Ethereum from some other exchange in order to buy Captain Inu token. When you open your Metamask, navigate to Uniswap, click on burger icon in top left corner, click on browser, click on decentralized exchange, find Uniswap, click on that. Connect your wallet. Mine is already connected. You will see your Ethereum balance. Click select token. Find Captain Inu. When you type Captain Inu, you will see I'm already have it imported in my Metamask. You will see here where is 0, you will see import. Just click import and import again, and Captain Inu will be in your wallet. Click on Captain Inu token. Type amount that you want to buy, for example 1000. Click swap. Click confirm swap. Metamask will show you this screen. You will see gas fee and total amount. I don't have enough Ethereum to buy Captain Inu token now, but if you are agree with fee and total amount, just click confirm, wait for transaction to be completed, and Captain Inu token will be in your wallet. That is all. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell for new videos.